Build a full facility care program for your apartment building tailored to your direct needs with State Industrial Products. State focuses on 3 things to help build your program: solutions, service, and savings. We will survey your facility and develop a personalized program designed around your specific needs and pain points. Utilizing our expansive knowledge of the industry and the challenges you face, we will combine the use of automated systems, concentrated solutions, and ready-to-use solutions to meet the needs of your facility. Installation of all systems, comprehensive on-site training for system use and chemical management are included in your program at no extra cost to you. We've targeted high-traffic areas specific to apartments and condominiums, including the lobby, trash room, hallways, HVAC and PTAC units, fitness facility, grounds care, and repairs. With solutions from all-purpose cleaners to disinfectants to ambient scenting options, rest assured that State has a product mix that will work well for any area in your facility. Look no further for solutions for every area of your apartment or condominium. Work with the apartment and condominium experts at State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.